Hello, welcome back to Mali Investment Talks. My name is Joseph Areu. I am your host for these talks where I try to help you, to help investors, personal investors, to make their money work for them, to make your money work for you. We have been talking in the last few episodes about short term investment. So, investing with a short term goal, short term meaning 1 year or less. Now, you will recall I talked about even before that the importance of identifying your goals. There are several goals. So, short term investing is one of the goals. Long term income is the other goal, and the others, which we shall talk about later on, are things like long term growth. Today, ladies and gentlemen, I want us to start talking about long term income as an investment goal. In other words, forget about for a moment the short term investment goal. Suppose you are in it for long term income. What is this? What is an income? Basically, you are talking about investing to be able to get a source of regular income from your investments. Think about it like a salary, but the salary is not coming from your employer, it is coming from your investment asset. That's the kind of investing we are talking about. And investing with the objective of giving you a regular, long-term, reliable income. So, what are the main issues that would be guiding your investment in this instance or for this particular objective? Number one, you obviously want to control risk. You want to make sure that the risk of the investment you're making is low to maximum medium, because this is going to be your source of reliable income going forward. Number two, you obviously want to try and maximize the return. The higher the return, the better. The return is simply a profit, if you like, the income that you'll be paid regularly. The higher that is, obviously, the better. So these are the two main issues that would guide or drive your selection of assets, investment assets, for the purpose or for the objective or goal of earning a long-term income. So what would be the basic options or assets or asset classes that you would want to consider to invest in for this purpose, for earning a long-term income? Bonds would be one of them, and we shall talk about bonds in a little more detail in the next session. The other one could be dividends. So you could earn your income from dividends, which are paid to you as a result of you investing in shares. A third option could be what we call annuities. Again, we shall discuss that at some point a little later. But essentially, this would be a guaranteed stream of payments, usually offered by an insurance company, and in most cases for the rest of your life. Another option, a common one, is rentals. So you could invest in a piece of real estate, and out of that real estate, you earn rentals as a form of income for you for the entire time that you are investing in that asset. So these are some of the options for earning a long-term regular income, as regular as possible, from your investment assets. Thank you very much, and I will talk to you a little more detail in the next episode about some of these particular options. Thank you.